This video is to help you with the product of powers rule. Now the product of powers, that kind of sounds like a foreign language all by itself. Product tells us that we're talking about the multiplication of something. So the product of powers rule is basically telling us what we do to the powers when we multiply the same base. So the first thing you want to do is look and say, okay, I'm multiplying. That's a product. Then you need to check to make sure you have the same base. Do you have the same base? Yes, we do. When you have the same bases being multiplied together, you add the exponents. So this would be 3 to the 3 plus 2 power, which is 3 to the 5th, which then you can put that into your calculator, and 3 to the 5th is 243. So if we had something like 4 to the 3rd times 4 to the 4th, you are multiplying, you have the same base, so you would add the exponents. So you have 4 to the 3 plus 4, which is 4 to the 7th power. And then when you evaluate that in your calculator, doing 4 times itself 7 times, you get that that's 16,384. So then we can kind of combine the product of powers rule with our negative exponents that we already know. So if I had something like 3 squared times 3 to the negative 4, we still are multiplying. We still have the same base of 3, so we're going to add the exponents. Now 2 plus a negative 4 is a negative 2. And we should know that having a negative exponent is not considered simplified. So to simplify this value, we know that we're over 1. This value in the numerator needs to go to the denominator. So this would be 1 over 3 squared, which is 1 over 9. If you have any questions about the product of powers rules, you should see Mrs. Fike or Mrs. Ryan for help.